Today we will be demonstrating the assembly process of the 21-inch round wing guard. You will need 4 top clips, 4 bottom clips, and a Phillips screwdriver. Please note that the wing guard is assembled upside down. Start by attaching the top clips to the bottom of the glass panels using a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten only enough to hold in place. Continue fastening the top clips until completed. Next, attach the bottom clips to the top of the glass panels with the rubber pad pointed up. Tighten only enough to hold in place. Continue fastening bottom clips until completed. Once all clips are fastened, use the Phillips screwdriver to finish hand tightening the set screws on both top and bottom clips. Tighten clips in a diagonal pattern as shown in the video to evenly distribute pressure to each connection point. Tighten screws until the glass guard is stable and does not move. Finally, flip the glass guard over once fully assembled.